Want to see what's in my summer FabFitFun box? If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. Comes with 6 full-size items: beauty, wellness, lifestyle, home, basically fun things. Let's see what's inside my summer box. I'm excited. First up, we have a wrinkle fighting 3-piece face set, 3 silicone patches, forehead patch, and then 2 patches that go under eye or around your mouth. This is something I'm really excited about trying. I'm 36. I don't do Botox, but I wouldn't mind having a little something. Second, from Machete, jade hair clip. This is gorgeous. Definitely gonna be getting lots of wear out of it. Next up, from insert name here, we have a sleek stick. This is a wax hair stick. I always have flyaways, and this is great. Ooh, it smells really good. This one I'm so excited for. Okay, these are the Arrae Bloat capsules. I have heard so many good things about these. I have wanted to try them for a while. So you take 1 or 2 of these after a meal. Helps you to debloat and work on digestion. Something little. So pretty. It's a Lariat necklace from BYCHARI. Okay. Last item from Beach Riot. How cute is this beach cover up? This one is going to come in handy for beach days. That is my summer FabFitFun box. It is full of a bunch of items that I am really excited to use, and I'm definitely gonna be getting a lot of use out of this summer. I've got 2 discount codes to help you save or get a little something special on your next box. Check the caption below or take them off the screen right here and enjoy.